Grabe na daan. Ito yung daan papuntang ano, Kalinawan Cave, hindi simentado. Pero di bali, papuntahan ka namin. Yan. Parang malalak yung daanan pa Kalintaan to ano Kalintaan to siding. Yan yung entrance ng Kalinawan Cave. Yan. So papasok dyan kami mamaya. Magbabayad muna kami bago kami papasok. So sobrang excited na si Lax na makapasok.
Survivor pool.
Bantay-bantay ha, masing mapakong ka.
So you can go down over there.
Bantay-bantay, masing mapakong ka.
And I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Oh, picture.
Wow.
So let me borrow again. So
Go with us.
yes.
Wow. No light.
Over there. The flat surface.
Sige, sige.
Flat surface po. Flat surface.
Okay, sige. Ito na yung ano. Yan. Bantay ha, masing mala.
Sir,
Madanlog ka. Here na, dito na.
dyan lang po sa kabala.
Okay. Stop over. Stop over.
Sing.
Stop over, stop over.
Sing. Yeah, sing.
So they are going to enter that.
Okay.
So that is 80 to 90 feet below the ground. But don't you worry guys, that is safe.
Okay, so, dahan-dahan lang.
Tandaan po.
Basig madagma ka. Dahan-dahan lang, basig madagma ka diha. Mabuklan tayo ng uli na to. Ay, gigkong kuha kay basig madagma ka ba?
Make sure that you're
Guys, no hiccup ha. No hiccup. Inahinil lang kay basig mapakong ka. Oh. It's good. Wow. Good stone. Nagduta dito eh. Wow. Nice.
But in the middle of the year, I will say that you will often allocate. At the same time, you will experience the severe visibility. Okay guys, so we have two ways here. We have hard.
Okay.
The bats are living there.
No need na.
The bats.
Bats. Dinosaur.
The bats, yes. We
Dinosaur.
have two species of bats here. We have insect bats and fruit bats.
Okay.
The insect bats
Sige.
they're eating insects. The fruit bats.
This is our way?
Is, fruit.
We fit here? Sige, hindi. Nice. Gwapo ni Adre. Kita. Iinas kita, napakong mo kunon. Ngayon lang ha, masing mapakong ka. Ya daw, natindihan niyo, ya daw.
So, Kalinawan Cave is used as a meeting place.
Galing ng ano dito, buhangin no.
So, this is used as
Ay, yung bato dito, merong silver dust, oh, parang may silver
the
dust.
Americans and the Filipinos. So, they are making the agreements. They're
Damang.
making the agreements, the clarity. So,
Nakuha sa damang oh.
they made the agreements.
Ito yung mga bato
And
na to,
one of
hindi
the
pwede
successful
hawakan kasi daw masisira yung ano.
how to
Sira ka
fight-
daw or mamatay
how they
ka.
will fight the Spanish.
Spanish.
Yes, here in the Philippines. Spanish here in the Philippines. How they will fight.
Ano pala to?
That is,
Iba yung damang dito, ano? Scorpion spider na tawag nito. Tara na.
that's a bird.
This one, no?
That's a bird.
Yeah. Ano daw yan? Ng scorpion spider?
Here in the Philippines,
Dama.
it is called the
Itagyanan ni. Patubang mo ni sa mong CR. Tabi biyag. Galing. Ganda oh. Ganda oh. Tabi.
here. The animal type here.
You know, you smell it.
The first and second year, this is the action. And if you want to continue the 3, 4, 5, this is
Yan ang baling sa sayaw oh. Nakasabit. Yan oh, lumipad. Galing.
so the bird before in the second layer.
Yan oh.
So that is
아까 그 세 번.
Yan. Galing no?
totally it's removed. So they want to take a picture.
We are survive our training. We are survive. Woo, let's go. So we move another place, and the best place. Ayos.